Quezon Province candidate.
Quezon Province.
We're gonna go ahead with your question because of the time. So here we go. Please pick a question. Do you believe that male pageants perpetuate certain stereotypes about masculinity? Why or why not? Again, do you believe male pageants perpetuate certain stereotypes about masculinity? Why or why not? Go ahead.
Oftentimes, men's masculinity are being attacked as a stereotype. However, in reality, that's a different case when you are an actual contestant here in pageantry. What really is important is the personality, which refers to mindset and character of a person, which I do believe that looks should not be the only factor on which an individual should be judged, but also it must be all-rounded and in all aspects. Thank you.
That was Quezon Province. Bulacan Province. The fourth candidate to be called in. Mr. Bulacan Province.
Hello, good evening.
Congratulations sa'yo for making it this far in the competition. We are gonna go straight in it for the kill. Pero syempre, quick hello lang. Ang nakita namin, ang dami talaga ng supporters, Diana.
Totoo.
Baka gusto mo mag-hello, magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa'yo tonight.
First, syempre, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga supporters ko from Bulacan. And also, my co-hosts are also here sa PTV Network, sa PCSO. Maraming salamat. I really appreciate your efforts.
Ayun, all right. Mr. Bulacan Province, go on ahead and please choose your question. All right, your question goes like this. Should male contestants also be judged on their physical appearance like female contestants often are in pageants? Once again, should male contestants also be judged on their physical appearance like female contestants often are in pageants?
I think that it's just right that the male pageants are also judged based on physical appearance. Just like female pageants, we are not here to just talk. We are supposed to inspire people through our actions and through how we present ourselves. And so I think it's just right that we show to people how we really are, how confident we are. And I think a real pageant king is someone who inspires not only through his words, but through how he looks. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Bulacan Province.
Mandaluyong, please step forward.
Ito si Mr. Mandaluyong, nag-trending to sa social media. Isa rin talaga siya sa tumulong magpalaganap ng Mr. Grand Philippines 2024. Sandro, Mr. Mandaluyong, how does that make you feel na napakalaki ng social media presence mo because of this pageant?
Very thankful sa mga supporters na sumusuporta. And alam ko, nag-viral ako, guys. Nung una hindi siya magandang experience, pero sabi nga nila, good and bad publicity pa rin yun.
Galing. Wala pa yung question, ha? Ito na.
Mr. Mandaluyong, pick your question, please.
Okay.
Why do you believe you should win Mr. Grand Philippines?
I really do believe that I should win Mr. Grand Philippines because since I was a kid, this is my dream. And I don't see any reason na hindi ko siya kayang gawin. Ngayon, binigyan akong pagkakataon upang makapag-inspira, makapag-educate ng maraming tao at gagamitin itong platform na to upang maka-share ng positivity sa maraming tao, sa local man, sa Pilipinas, at sa international. Yun lamang po at marami po salamat.
That was Mr. Mandaluyong. Maraming salamat, Mr. Grand Philippines Mandaluyong.